Imagine a dish so famous, so delicious, that its name is known all over the world. This is Hyderabadi chicken biryani, a legend in Indian cuisine. More than just food, it's a story of kings, queens, and rich spices. The biryani from Hyderabad is a plate of soft rice, tender chicken, and unforgettable flavors. Its roots trace back to the Mughal emperors who brought their recipes to the Deccan. In the royal kitchens of the Nizam, chefs fused Persian cooking with bold South Indian spices. This creative blend gave birth to Hyderabadi biryani, a masterpiece perfected over years. Every grain of rice had to be long and separate. Every bite of chicken melt in your mouth. The aroma alone could make anyone hungry. Today, this royal dish is loved by all, from palaces to street stalls. Every family in Hyderabad has its own secret twist. The biryani carries the city's history in its aroma, a tale of cultural blending and culinary joy. It's a jewel that continues to shine, inviting everyone to taste its magnificent story. From royal feasts to family dinners, Hyderabadi biryani is a celebration on a plate. Its legacy lives on, one delicious bite at a time. What sets Hyderabadi biryani apart? It's all in the cooking method, kachi akni or raw marinade. Here, raw marinated chicken is layered at the bottom of a heavy pot with partially cooked rice on top. Both cooked together, slowly, letting flavors blend in a way that's truly unique. The chef must trust the process. Timing and heat are everything. The result? Chicken that's juicy and tender, rice that's aromatic and full of flavor. The masala is a fragrant mix of star anise, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, mint, coriander, and crispy fried onions. Barista. Star anise, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, mint, coriander, and crispy fried onions. Barista. These golden onions add sweetness and crunch, while the herbs and spices create a symphony of taste. It's not just spicy, it's aromatic, a little sweet, tangy, and deeply savory. Long-grain basmati rice is essential, boiled with whole spices for extra aroma. The final dish is a colorful feast: white, yellow, and orange grains, each bite bursting with flavor. Hyderabadi biryani is a festival for the senses: taste, smell, and sight. It's a royal dish, perfected by tradition and passion. That's what makes it truly special. Picture our kitchen as a tiny clay world, soft, colorful, and full of texture. We gather our ingredients: bright red chili powder, golden turmeric, and whole spices like cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, and star anise. Fresh mint and coriander leaves, carefully shaped, add a burst of green. Onions are sliced and fried into golden brown birista, crunchy and sweet. The star chicken is cut into plump pieces, ready for marination. Yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and lemon juice are prepared, each adding richness and tang. Saffron strands soak in warm milk, turning it a beautiful orange. All these vibrant clay ingredients are arranged, ready to come together. Each component is essential, each color and texture a promise of flavor. Before cooking begins, the kitchen is a palette of spices and aromas. This is where the magic starts, every ingredient ready for its role. The stage is set for biryani's transformation. Now let's dive into the ASMR of biryani making. Thick yogurt plops onto chicken. Ginger garlic paste lands with a soft. Chili and turmeric sprinkle down. Mint and coriander leaves are torn. Crispy barista onions crunch. Everything is mixed, until the chicken is coated in a rich orange-red marinade. The sounds blend into a quiet kitchen symphony. The marinated chicken rests, soaking up flavors. Covered with a lid, it waits, anticipation building. Spices work their magic, making the meat tender and aromatic. In this silence, flavor seeps deep into every piece. The stage is set for the next act. Time to prepare the rice. Water boils, with whole spices swirling inside. Basmati rice is washed and added, cooking until just 70% done. Drained, the rice steams, each grain long and separate. Now the layering begins. Marinated chicken goes at the bottom of the pot, topped with barista, mint, and coriander. Half the rice is spread over, grains falling like gentle rain. More onions, herbs, and a drizzle of ghee follow. The rest of the rice forms a clean white top layer. Saffron milk is drizzled, creating streaks of color. The pot is now a work of art. Red chicken, green herbs, golden onions, and vibrant rice. Every layer promises flavor and beauty, ready for the final magical step. The magic of dum pukt, slow steam cooking, begins. The pot is sealed with a rope of dough, lid pressed tight, locking in all the flavors. Placed on a low flame, the pot cooks undisturbed. Inside, steam rises, carrying the aroma of spices and chicken through every layer. The chicken cooks in its own juices. The rice absorbs every bit of flavor. The cycle of steam and moisture transforms the dish. After 45 minutes, the heat is turned off. The pot rests, anticipation building. Time for the reveal. A knife cracks the dough seal. The lid lifts, releasing a cloud of fragrant steam. The aroma fills the kitchen. Spices, herbs, and perfectly cooked rice. Inside, grains of white, yellow, and orange with tender chicken hidden below. The biryani is ready, a masterpiece unveiled. Every bite is a taste of history and tradition. The wait is finally over. The biryani is served. Each scoop brings up colorful rice and juicy chicken. It's a feast for the eyes and the senses. Biryani is meant to be shared, bringing people together around the table. A family gathers, smiles on their faces as the platter is placed at the center. The joy of sharing a lovingly cooked meal is unmatched. Laughter and chatter fill the room. Spoons clink against plates. Biryani is the centerpiece of celebrations. Weddings, festivals, family gatherings. Cooking it is a labor of love. Serving it is an act of care. Each bite is a gift of time, effort, and tradition. Hyderabadi biryani is more than a recipe. It's a story, a celebration, a symbol of togetherness. Food connects us to the past and brings us closer in the present. The best meals are those we share, creating memories one spoonful at a time.